Good afternoon, parents. I am Dr. Bhattacharya. I am a pediatric dentist from Dental Cure, Mira Road East, and I will be preparing you for your child's first dental visit. So before I start explaining to you what all things you should do while bringing your child to the dentist, first of all, I would like to tell you that you need to at what age you should bring your child for the first dental visit. Ideally, at the age of 1 year, that is the first birthday of your child, is the ideal time for the child to come for the first dental visit. Reason being is usually the first teeth, that is the front central incisors, come at the age of around 6 to 7 months, and followed by again 7 to 8, 8 to 9 months, and then so on. So all the milk tooth starts coming. So as you are aware of why it is very important for the child to visit a dentist at such a young age, I'll now tell you exactly how you should be making the child aware as to where you are going and how you can modulate his or her behavior in the dental chair. First and foremost, before bringing your child to us, we will be sending you a format copy as to what all things you should be doing to your child or telling to your child and showing to your child regarding a dentist, and what all things which we do in kids regarding by either in the form of YouTube videos or by books, dental books, where they show all good images and good videos of dentists treating a child in a very calm and composed manner. Because nowadays in all these smartphone generation, the kids know how to apply all these YouTube videos and how to see what all things happen in dentistry, or they hear from their friends or the relatives as to what things happen. Like for example, they get to know that injection is given by a dentist and then they get scared. So avoid such videos, avoid such things, telling your child that these things will be happening. If you don't brush your teeth, the dentist will give injection. Please avoid all these negative feedbacks to your child regarding the dentist. So whenever you are bringing your child for the first time, show them good YouTube videos or show them good books or story books or pictured books where the dentist is showing treating the child in a very nice and calm and composed manner. After this, what you need to do is first and foremost, the ideal time for bringing the child is usually in the morning session, because usually in the morning time the child is fresh and he has all the energy to sit through the procedure in a calm and composed manner. Especially if the child is very anxious, if the child is very hyperactive, usually morning hours are the best preferred time to carry out all the procedures. Third thing that you need to remember while bringing the child is always follow the appointment schedule as given by the dentist. Reason is why? Because kids hate waiting in the waiting area or in the clinic for unnecessary reason. They want to enter the clinic and get the work done and go fast to your home so that they can do their whatever cartoons they want to see, or they want to do drawing, or they want to meet their friends, whatever. So they don't want to wait in the waiting area waiting for the dentist to call them. So always follow your appointment schedule right on time. Next step that you can follow is before bringing the child. Now usually what happens is kids are usually anxious about their dental clinic, so they tend to cry, they tend to throw tantrums, and if their stomach is full, then they may tend to vomit. So always remember, before bringing the child for any dental procedure or even for a checkup, always keep the stomach of the child empty for at least 1 to 1.5 hours before any procedure. So this is a very important note, that always keep your child's stomach empty for at least 1.5 to 2 hours before any dental procedure. Next important thing that I would like to add on to is, whenever you bring the child to the dentist tends to form a rapport with the child. Now building the rapport means to say he tends to go down to the child and speak to them in a very calm and composed manner, trying to understand the needs of the child, trying to understand what he feels and he or she feels regarding his or her oral cavity. Now in that stage, we don't want, as a dentist, the parents to interfere in the communication between the dentist as well as the child. So not only distracts the dentist from building a rapport to the child is also distracted between whom he or she should listen. Either the parent, he should listen to the parent, or to the doctor, what he is saying regarding the dental procedure. So I request all the parents that when you are in the dental unit, when you are in the operating room, please do not interfere trying between the dentist and the child who is trying to build a rapport between the child and the dentist. So these are few tips and tricks which you can follow for bringing the child for your first dental visits. So if you have any doubts or regarding any questions about your child's first dental visit, or when you need to visit the dental clinic, please let me know in my given mobile number. Thank you so much.